Good morning, beautiful. I am just drinking my morning coffee in my You Are Beautiful cup, and I wanted to share with you the easiest 3-step morning skincare routine. If your skin is just feeling kind of dry and dehydrated, it looks dull, and you want to give yourself that amazing glow in just a few steps. All right, I've already cleansed my face. Some people just splash their face with water or use their favorite cleanser. Use whatever your favorite cleanser is for your beautiful face. But the star of the show is one of my all-time favorite exfoliating products. This is from the brand yepoda. It's a Korean skincare brand, and I think I read somewhere that yepoda means pretty. I think I only have one left in this jar, but I already bought a backup. But I wanted to mention these because I know many of you, this was your favorite also, and these are 30% off right now. Actually, there's 2 left, but do you see how much liquid is still left in this jar? Out of every exfoliating pad I've ever used, this brand yepoda, these Perfect pads are super duper saturated, the most saturated I've ever used. In fact, it's like dripping down my arm. You could even cut these in half because there's so much product on these little pads. You could get double use out of these, but I like to use this on my face, on my arms, my neck, chest, and all that good stuff until the pad is completely dry. But do you see how cute these are? There are these little heart-shaped pads, and on one side the pad is super soft, and then the other side has more like ridges to add better physical exfoliation. This is your toner, your exfoliator, this is your antioxidants, all that good stuff, especially if you're in a hurry. But I love these when my skin just kind of feels dry and dehydrated. And a lot of times our makeup looks terrible because we haven't exfoliated properly, but also because we haven't added that big drink of water back to our skin. And that's what these little pads do all in one. And so not only does this have the hydrating ingredients that will give your skin that big drink of water, that burst of hydration and help plump up any fine lines and wrinkles, but if your makeup's looking terrible, it could be because you need to gently exfoliate all of those little dead flaky skin cells that are just kind of sitting on the surface. And when you use something like this before you do your makeup, oh my gosh, your makeup's gonna look so pretty. So this has the gentle acid in it that will eat those dead flakies off, but it also has another gentle acid in it, which is gonna go deep down inside the pore. And so if your pores are looking a little more stretched out than you want them to, this is gonna help kind of chemically scoop out anything that's stretching out the pores. So in turn, you'll have like snatched pores and have super tight looking glass skin. But like I said, since these are so ridiculously hydrating, I mean, you can probably already see the instant glow that these give my skin. And so my skin was feeling a little dehydrated beforehand, but now it feels amazing. And also there's a lot of different exfoliating products on the market, and I'm gonna do an upcoming video and share all my favorite exfoliators and why I might choose this one over this one, or why I would choose using a certain exfoliator on different days based on what my skin is doing. But if you have dehydrated skin or sensitive skin, this to me is the perfect exfoliator to use every single day. Of course, always check with your doctor to know what's best for your beautiful face. But for me, I could use these every single day without any irritation whatsoever because these are super duper gentle and hydrating, but they're really potent. They really do make a big difference, and that's why I've already gone through a couple jars of them. All right, this is already absorbed into my skin. It's dried down. There's no burning, no irritation whatsoever, but my skin is super duper soft. My skin is super glowy. I mean, I know the bathroom lights are beaming on it, but you can probably see a difference of how my skin looked before I started to how it looks now. I've been testing out the 𝑽𝑰𝑫 Glow Maker. This is their pure vitamin C serum, and I've been using it for a little while now, and I haven't had any issues. I do have a little pimple right here, but I think that's more so my hormones. But this has not made my skin break out at all, and normally pure L-ascorbic vitamin C is kind of irritating on my skin, so there's no irritation whatsoever. Now I think this is a 15% L-ascorbic, but you know, this is the most studied, the most tested form of vitamin C, so I was really trying to give it a try again and see how it goes on my skin. And I really feel like it's starting to, you know, my melasma and pigmentation is still there, but I think it's starting to lighten it and brighten it up a little bit more than what it was. So this is what we are using for our vitamin C today. And then I just bring the leftover down my neck and my chest. And then I'm just gonna let this soak in for like a minute or so. And then I'm gonna put on one of my favorite sunscreens, but it's a moisturizer, antioxidant, all that good stuff. I think you guys have probably heard me rave about this for what, 8 years now. So I'm not gonna bore you and put it on camera again, but I'll probably use about 7, maybe 8 pumps of this, and then I'll put like a non-tinted down my neck. Now, you can use whatever your favorite sunscreen is. If you want to use a moisturizer after you put on your serum, before you use your sunscreen, use whatever works best for you. But I just wanted to show this little combination of my yepoda pads and with the vitamin C, because one thing I learned from a dermatologist, if you are using pure form vitamin C and your skin, the pH isn't where it needs to be first, the vitamin C is not gonna work as well. Well, one little hack, a little trick, is to use an exfoliating product. Something like this would work well. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna allow your vitamin C serum to penetrate even better, so you're gonna get more bang for your buck. And it really just kind of helps supercharge the results that you get with your vitamin C serum. All right, I'm gonna get ready for the day. Once I'm done, I'll do like a quick little video of my skin so you can see what it looks like with makeup on, and then I'll pop that up here on the screen so you can see. And if you wanted to see another video on all of my favorite makeup that I like to use for my skin, I will pop that video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget your sunscreen, and I'll see you in the next video.